Wait. How did we get to this point? It's over already? No, wait, run it back.
Project G63. So, from afar, this car looks really pristine and good condition, right? The black paint on any car looks the best if it's clean. However, the black paint is always the hardest to keep it clean and also hard to keep it swirl free. So this car has been probably not going through maybe some car washes, but yeah, paint on it is pretty bad. Check this out. You will see the B-roll, but you might not be able to even see some of this footage right here. All these scratches and scuffs and swirls. And what we'll have to do is we'll have to polish it out before we apply the ceramic coating. So here's what we're going to do. We'll take a medium pad, medium compound, put a couple of dots on it. Let's do 3, maybe 4. Okay. So this is medium pad, medium to fine. Put a cord over your shoulder so you don't hit the paint. And now let's just work this little section right here. We're gonna spread the compound, and we're gonna do probably about 3 passes.
Moments later.
We're gonna do one more pass, and then we're gonna inspect the paint. That's a good polisher. Take a blush microphone towel. Remove the compound. So we did 3 passes with a medium compound and medium pad, and now we can inspect the paint. So check it out. So you still got a couple of small imperfections, but compared to here, look at that. Look at the difference. You see all the scratches and swirls in the paint? And almost none. So we're still going to carry out with another single stage paint correction. So it's going to probably require 2-stage paint correction on all painted surfaces to get that paint to the best possible level before we seal off with a 5-year coating from SB3 Alpha.